in blank quiz format, okay? And I'm going to make one for the solar system. Just 5 quick questions. I click on where it says blank quiz, and I put solar system quiz. Okay? And this is my strong example. Okay? When I click on blank quiz, I can name it the same thing I have here. Normally it auto corrects it. It didn't do it. Oops. I want to put it here, and I got to put it in. It's okay. There. Now, finally in. And now, I always put name right here, right? Because I want to sort those, because that was our problem a while ago. Last name, first name. And look what it does. Automatically made it a short answer, right? Now you see my answer key is at 0 points. What did we do a while ago? We went to the 3 dots, and we made sure in the preference area that every question had a value. And I'm going to make mine 10 points each. And everything has to be required. Make everything required. And now hit save. So for now on, that is required. Pretty smart quiz, except for it didn't do it on that one. Because this is a name. They don't get credit for points on their name, right? So where it says answer key, I leave that at 0. Now notice that when I touch the word answer key, there's edit question, answer key. Edit question lets me enter data. Answer key lets me impose a answer key on top of it. There is no answer key for your name. You should know your name. So now we're going to do the first question. I'm going to go plus, far right. First question, planet closest to the sun. I'm writing really quick. I'm not writing complete stems, so don't value my stems. So I'm going to go to where it says option 1, right? And I want to give them 4 choices. Notice it's automatically multiple choice. It's automatically required. My point value is 8 points. I must have arbitrarily hit 8 instead of 5. But let me go back and see. That's a good question. Let's go back and look at my dots. I did. I didn't hit the little button enough. So there. Now it's 10. All right. So let's go back. So now we know it's 10 and save. I just want to see if y'all would catch me. So now it still says 8 because when I hit the start button, watch if I delete the question and then I add it again. Let's see if it's 10 now. But it is now. So I should have copied that before I did that, right? Planet closest to the sun. Right? Multiple choice. Required 10 points. 4 options, right? And so I clicked in the question stem, right? And I put in Mars, and I hit enter. It automatically goes down to field 2. Mercury. See, I'm just trying to type it. Not working. Home team, right? And left field, Saturn. So we have 4. Now I need to go in and make my answer key. So I click on the answer key, and I choose the correct answer. It makes it in a green field lit out so that you can see it, right? And then I go down to edit question, and I leave the question. It lets you know that's the correct answer. 10 points. Moving on.
So you can add pictures in.
Yes, ma'am. And here's a picture option. Let's say, which planet is Jupiter? Okay. Instead of putting in options, this is very cool. If I go down here where it says option A and I put the letter A, it says, hey, do you want us to do B, C, D too? Yes. Now I'm sitting there at the A, and if I roll way over here to where the picture is, this will go to Google and instantly look for images that I can put into the answer stems. So add an image, and far right is search Google, and I'm going to type Saturn. It goes and gets a good Saturn picture, and I hit select. And there it is. Boom. I'm going to scroll down and put a BCD in. Roll over to B, go get an image, and I'm going to go get Jupiter again by searching and type Jupiter. So I'm going to go to Jupiter. There's our answer. Do you see where this would be a nice visual that you could use on anything? So you're seeing me do this 4 times. It kind of helps you to see it. Right? I know I'm going fast, but I'm trying to get to the other elements in this one video. This is D. And I'm going to search again. If you had a collection of pictures on your Google Drive, you could go there. If you have some that you've taken snapshots and put on your desktop, you could upload them from here. But again, I like this way. And I'll put the home team again. So You can take pictures. You can actually put a picture in the question stem. All right. So I'm going to go here, and I need to go to the answer key. And then I need to choose the correct answer. See how it looks very similar? Edit question. So there's 2 questions in multiple choice. This is a cool way. She gives spelling test, and this is the same format for your spelling test. Plus, and the third one here is blankety blank 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 is the planet we live on. Right? Check it out. See what says multiple choice? A lot of times it will automatically default that to a short answer. But those are your choices. So if I go short answer, and now I need to put in what I will take as an answer. Answer key, and look, it says add a correct answer, Earth. And it's not case sensitive. If they capitalized or they did Earth, it'll be fine. If they spell Earth wrong, guess what? It would be incorrect.
Really?
You can add answer feedback, right? And in the feedback, you could add textual information saying, nice try, but you're wrong. I love that joke. You can even give them a YouTube video or a website link to help them on why they missed the question in the feedback. Love that. You can make it all multiple guesses. Yeah. Now, so we got that, right? And I'm going to make one more question. To prevent your students from cheating in high school, we have found out that they can Google any answer quicker than we can monitor them. In 8 seconds, they can go to any exam view question and find the answer in Quizlet or straight up just Google. So here's the way to get around that. Which planets are considered inner planets? Question mark, right? So I can go right here and I could put a list of the planets like Mars, right? Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn. Right? I can list a bunch. Now, you see where it says multiple choice? A while ago, I asked if you taught multiple subjects. If there's multiple correct answers, then they would have to put in each of the answers. See that? Answer key, right? And I'm going to go in and select all of the correct answers. So option 6 is not a correct answer. Let me edit the question. See how I've got the, that's going to happen to you. A kid will go, what's option 6? Just ignore it. And that's what you'll end up telling them. There, I made it where it won't be a correct answer. It's a turn. All right, so here's the problem with this. It won't give partial credit. You physically would have to go in and give it partial. Now, I've got high school teachers that are so fed up with them cheating, they got into this discussion. But anyway, we'll come back to this. But anyway, there's your values. So I've got those 4 questions. All right. Now here's a neat little tool you can do. You can add a YouTube video and then ask them a question about the YouTube video within the quiz. So if you have a con video and you're the math teacher, you could actually put a video in. So right now, if I go add a video and I want to pull in a video from YouTube, right? Say that I'm just going to pull in changing paradigms. This is one I use in college. If I wanted to embed the video, the students would watch video, answer question, type correctly. All right, so if they watch the video, I can then add a question under the video. So if someone is not there, or you want to prime them beforehand, they could watch the video and then come in and answer a question. And you can make it a multiple choice. What did Ken Robinson, and I'm not going to finish the question. What did he mean by transforming education? And if I wanted to, I can make this a paragraph and physically grade this after the test. I can go to that spreadsheet, look at it, and then give them a value. So I don't have to make it grade. But if it's a multiple choice answer, then yeah, I could do this. And I could say, what did Ken mention we should start doing divergent teaching? What grade level? And let's say it was K1, right? 2, it's K is the answer. Okay. So if I put those in as values, I could go do that. So your students could physically go in and actually make those kind of quiz questions.